everyone, how are you all? This is Kritika Bharti, your commerce teacher. I'm sure that you're staying at home, you're staying safe. As you know that this COVID-19 has been affecting our communities both locally and globally. But this doesn't stop us. I take this opportunity to connect to you all virtually while staying indoors and be safe. What if we can't meet at school? We can come virtually and connect to you and reach to you anyhow. Therefore, this DVPS, our school, has taken this initiative to educate you while staying safe at home. Okay class, now we are on our chapter 5, primary sector, that is agriculture. Means our first sector, our primary sector of the Indian economy is agriculture. We have discussed this in our previous homework, right? Now the next topic of this chapter 5 is Green Revolution. Another topic we are discussing, that is Green Revolution. What is it? Let us discuss. This new agricultural technique was introduced as a package program to include HYV of seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, adequate irrigation, etc. Means that this Green Revolution was a new modernized technique of farming or agriculture. This new technology is nicknamed as Green Revolution. This was nicknamed as Green Revolution because it came suddenly, spread quickly, and brought dramatic results in the form of big increase in agricultural production and productivity in a short span of time, which means that in a very short period of time, this agriculture technique was at high. It hiked the production, it hiked the agriculture, it hiked the farming process. The core of the new technology is use of HYV seeds. Core means that the main factor which was introduced in this Green Revolution technique of agriculture is HYV seeds. HYV seeds means high yielding variety seeds. An important feature of the Green Revolution is that it has been restricted to only food grain crops, that is wheat, rice, jowar, bajra and maize. Now, next topic is impact of Green Revolution. Now we will be discussing about the impact of Green Revolution which happened in our Indian economy. First was boost in production of food grains. Now what are food grains? Food grains are wheat, rice, jowar, bajra and maize. What happened? Green Revolution, introduction of Green Revolution, introduction of new technologies in Green Revolution, it boosted up the production of these food grains. Next is change in agricultural practices. Change in agricultural practices means that earlier in the olden days, the farmers, they had old methods of technology. They used cows, they used bulls. But now with the introduction of Green Revolution, they had machineries, they had tractors, they have irrigation facilities. So what happened? That it changed in agricultural practices. Next, increase demand for industrial products. Green Revolution, it increased the demand for industrial products. Now what are industrial products? Industrial products are like pesticides, fertilizers, manures, etc. Next is large increase in productivity. Large increase in productivity. Why? Because when we will change our agriculture techniques, when we will introduce new modernized equipments, when we will use industrial products, when we will use manures, when we will use fertilizers, pesticides, this will help in what? This will help in increasing the productivity. It will help in increasing the productivity of food grains. It will help in increasing the productivity of our agriculture. Next is change in crop patterns. Now we need to change in the crop patterns. Why? Because if we will adopt only one method of agriculture, the soil will lose its fertility. So in order to maintain the fertility, Green Revolution told that we also have to change the cropping pattern. That is that sometimes we will use crop rotation, sometimes we will use slash and burn technique of agriculture and etc. So with this we finish with the meaning of Green Revolution and discussion of impact of Green Revolution. Now as you can see that with this we finish our chapter. Now this is lesson at glance, and I want you to go through this lesson at glance, and in the next video we will be discussing about our next sector, that is our secondary sector.